Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello friends, my name is Manas and I welcome you to my channel Assam Jobs. Today we will be unboxing the brand new Redmi Note 6 Pro. Now let's start this video. This is the Redmi Note 6 Pro and the packaging from Flipkart looks quite impressive, and I bought this at around 13,000 rupees, and I was lucky enough that I could order this on 23rd as it was on flash sale, and somehow I got lucky that I could order it. Now let's cut this packet and see what's inside. These tabs are quite irritating and it's very hard to cut them, so I'm using a scissor to cut it out. Quite similar to any other Redmi device. The Redmi Note 6 Pro comes with two versions, the 6GB and the 4GB one. This is the 4GB version. This phone is powered with a 20 megapixel front camera which is supported by a 2 megapixel secondary camera. At the back we do have a 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera to support it. The screen size is 6.26 inch, which is slightly bigger than its predecessor, that is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. All can see there is an adapter, one USB cable, a SIM eject tool and some user guide inside this box. Now let's open this and see and feel the beast inside it. Finally, after a lot of unpacking, we do have the Redmi Note 6 Pro in our hand. Feels really nice to hold this brand new phone. The finish is really nice and it's shiny. And this is the rose gold version, and you can get the other colors also which are available in the market. The back camera is placed exactly like as the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and you can see the volume button and the power button. They are quite slim, and the speakers are at the bottom of the phone, and also the charger point. Now let's see what is inside it. This looks like a back cover, and the back cover is pretty nice. Let's see how it fits into the phone. Perfectly fits into this phone, but I do not suggest this product as it might not help you from preventing your phone from any damage while it spills from your hand. This is the user guide that comes along with it, and instructions are mentioned in many languages, as you all can see. This is a standard Redmi adapter And the output here is, as you all can see, it is 5V 2A. The Redmi Note 6 Pro thus comes with Qualcomm 3.0 QuickCharge, but the adapter here is not up to that standards. You need to buy an adapter that supports Qualcomm 3.0 QuickCharge. This is the USB cable that comes along with it. The length of this cable looks quite similar to other Redmi cables. As you can see, this is the Type-C USB cable, quite similar to any Android device. Now let's switch on this phone and see what's inside. There is a screen guard above it with the advertisement of its brand. Let's open it. As you can see, the MI logo displays as soon as the phone is switched on. The phone is quite good to hold in its hand. Let us open the camera and see how it clicks. The picture looks quite stunning, and as you can see, even when we zoom at the picture, the image is not blurred and the details are shown of the picture. And we do have some photos which are clicked at different time at different light conditions. Please check out those. One of the major disadvantages of this phone is that it does not come with a front flash. So if you love clicking selfies at night, this is not of your kind. Subscribe my channel and like this video, and please let me know how did I fare in this video in the comment box. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.